Welcome back, everyone. Today we are making the white chocolate raspberry sour. To start off, we're going to use half an ounce of egg white, or if you feel like cracking an egg, you do you, man. Then 0.75 ounces of fresh squeezed lemon juice, half an ounce of raspberry puree.
Do you ever pronounce the P in raspberry?
No.
No? Okay. Just pretend it's not there.
Exactly. Gotta love the English language. Making things complicated for everybody.
Yep.
Then 1 ounce of white chocolate liqueur. Get out of there. Drippy, drippy. And then 1.5 ounces of your favorite brand of gin. See, drippy, drippy. We're going to do a dry shake or a mime shake first to emulsify the egg.
Ooh, emulsified.
Emulsified. And then in our small shaker tin, we are going to add ice. And then, depending on your shake, 10 to 15 seconds just to chill down the cocktail and dilute.
That wasn't it.
No, I got hair in the way. And then I've got my sour glass. You can use a coupe, of course, as well. Or just a vessel. Let's be real.
A bowl.
Whatever you want to put it in, you go ahead, right ahead. We are going to double strain. Just in case if there's any small pieces of ice, we definitely don't want that in our cocktail. Ooh, so pretty. Then for our garnish, I have a single solitary raspberry on a skewer. I'm just going to set that in there right up against the back of the glass. And then as we're sitting here, you can already tell, like, you can see it's starting to foam up. How pretty.
Good.
Okay. I'm going to taste it. I'm going to give you my honest opinion. One,
Oh, it's an original, by the way.
Oh, yes, it is an original. Sorry. I'm going to give you my honest opinion. Sorry, I had a stroke there. One is I would drink it, move on to the next cocktail. 5, I would drink it all night and hate myself in the morning. Of course, we are going to remove the deadly skewer. Right off the bat, I actually smell more of the gin than anything, which is super weird. And then I get a little bit of chocolate. Oh, that's yummy. So you get raspberry right at the very forefront. The chocolate kind of comes on after the fact. Let me just taste one more time, just for science. For science. Science is important, people. Yeah, a lot of raspberry, hint of chocolate. The chocolate is not overwhelming by any means. Another very light cocktail. You get that nice mouthfeel coming from the egg white. That's delicious. I got to give it a 5 out of 5. No, it's not just because it's mine.
Yep.
5 out of 5. Don't forget, the ingredients are going to be listed down below. That way you can build the cocktail right at home. If you like, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hush it, you. We know you like it. And I will see you guys at the next pour. Cheers.